Are you tired of your Android home screen looking like a digital junkyard, cluttered with app labels that steal away from its aesthetic appeal? If you've ever wished you could just make those app names disappear from your home screen and even your app drawer, then you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to be utilizing a powerful tool that's part of the Samsung ecosystem, specifically a module within the amazing Good Lock suite called HomeUp. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking: Good Lock? HomeUp? I've looked for that, and I can't find it in the Galaxy Store. And you'd be absolutely right to be confused, because Samsung's distribution of these incredible customization tools can sometimes be a bit, shall we say, non-traditional. In many devices, especially newer ones or those in specific regions, you might find that HomeUp, along with other essential Good Lock modules, isn't immediately available through a direct search in the Galaxy Store. It's a bit of a hidden gem, and finding it often requires a slight detour from the usual path. This is a common point of frustration for many users, as they are aware of the power of Good Lock but struggle to access all its components. But fear not, because I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass that little hurdle. This is a crucial first step, as without HomeUp, our mission to hide those app labels simply cannot proceed. So, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will work perfectly fine for this. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in HomeUp. Just those two words, HomeUp. You'll probably see several results pop up, but you're looking for the one that specifically comes up under the Galaxy Store domain. It will usually be one of the very first search results, clearly indicating that it's an official link, even if the Galaxy Store app itself isn't directly showing it in its search results. Click on that link. This will redirect you to the HomeUp page within the Galaxy Store, allowing you to download it as if it were readily available. It's a clever little workaround that gets us access to this invaluable tool. Once you're on the HomeUp page, proceed to download and install the application. The process is just like downloading any other app from the Galaxy Store, so it should be quick and seamless. You might see a progress bar, and then a notification once the installation is complete. In my case, I had already downloaded. Now that HomeUp is successfully installed on your device, the next step is to head over to the Good Lock app. If you don't already have Good Lock installed, you'll need to download that from the Galaxy Store first. Good Lock is Samsung's official customization suite, a powerhouse of modules designed to enhance nearly every aspect of your phone's user experience. It acts as a central hub for all these fantastic individual modules, including HomeUp. So, open up the Good Lock app, and you'll see a list of various modules available to you. You should now find the newly downloaded HomeUp module proudly listed among them. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Tap on HomeUp to open it. When you first launch HomeUp, you'll notice that everything inside is likely toggled off by default. This is perfectly normal. These modules often start in an inactive state, waiting for you to unleash their full potential. Our goal here is to activate the functionalities that allow us to hide app labels. So, the first thing you need to do is toggle on the main switch at the very top of the HomeUp interface. This activates the module and allows you to start customizing your home screen and app screen. Once that's toggled on, you'll see a series of options presented to you. We're specifically interested in the sections that control how app icons and labels are displayed. Look for the section labeled Home Screen and tap on it. Within this section, you'll find another toggle that says something like Home Screen Settings or a similar general activation switch for this area. Make sure this is also toggled on. This ensures that any changes you make within the home screen settings will take effect. Now, pay close attention, because this is where the magic happens for hiding those labels. Within the home screen section, you'll see an option called App Icon Settings or Icon Settings. This is precisely what we need. Tap on this option. Inside App Icon Settings, you'll be presented with a couple of crucial toggles. By default, you will likely see two options that are toggled on: Show Item Label on Home Screen and Show Item Label on App Screen. These are the culprits responsible for displaying all those app names on your device. To achieve our sleek, minimalist look, we need to disable these. So, go ahead and toggle off both Show Item Label on home screen and Show Item Label on app screen. As soon as you toggle these off, you might even see an immediate change on your screen, with labels vanishing before your eyes. And there you have it! With those two simple toggles, you have transformed your Android phone's interface. Your home screen will now display only the clean, crisp app icons, free from any distracting text labels. The same goes for your app screen. Browse through your applications will be a much cleaner and more visually appealing experience. This not only makes your phone look incredibly neat but also contributes to a more focused and intentional interaction with your device. Without the constant visual noise of text, your eyes are drawn directly to the icons, making it quicker and more intuitive to locate the apps you need. It's a subtle change, but one that makes a profound difference in the overall feel and aesthetic of your smartphone. This kind of customization is what makes Android such a powerful and versatile operating system, allowing users to truly personalize their devices beyond just wallpapers and widgets. Good Lock, and specifically Home Up, unlocks a new level of control that truly elevates the user experience. You can experiment with different icon packs in conjunction with hidden labels for an even more unique look. Play around with different layouts on your home screen, now that you have so much more visual space. The possibilities are endless when you remove the clutter. This trick is particularly useful for those who prefer a clean, minimalist setup, or for anyone who just wants their phone to look a bit more polished and professional. It's a quick win for anyone looking to optimize their digital environment. So, take a moment to admire your newly decluttered home and app screens. Isn't that a breath of fresh air? It's amazing how such a small adjustment can make such a significant impact on your phone's usability and visual appeal. This simple yet effective trick is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their Android experience and achieve that coveted minimalist aesthetic. Remember, customization is key to making your device truly yours, and hiding app labels is just one powerful step in that journey. If this video helped you declutter your phone, hit that like button. As we wrap things up, I want to direct your attention to your screen. You'll see two fantastic videos popping up. The one on the left of your screen is another incredible customization guide, and on the right side of your screen, you'll find a video that uncovers hidden features. If you were amazed by this video, you will absolutely love those two as well. I'll see you there.